I'm Mirchi Anjali. This is 95 Mirchi. Today I'm in conversation with Mr. Umang Doctor, the founder of Accelerate, an organization that transforms underprivileged talent and places them in mainstream software jobs. Sir, please tell me, how can we be a part of Accelerate's work and contribute to what you're doing?
Just because a person is coming from a humble background doesn't mean the person doesn't have the talent, to actually make it. So is actually recognizing that maids, drivers, all of them, they are also people like us. Their children also should get the same kind of opportunities that our children get. And how can we help? How can we do our bit? Now you know about Accelerate. If you see talent around, nominate that talent for Accelerate. So spread the word, and actually most importantly, believe that these people also have the talent, and it's just a question of the right mentoring and opportunity. And how can we help that so that they also get the kind of life that we are living?